Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. We're not here for that, we're here for this thing. Yeah, so I've been on Instagram watching my memes and stuff, and I kept getting, great editing, this video.
Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy.
And I only got that video for like 5 days straight. And that was like the only ads I was getting, and I have no idea why. Probably because I hearted them and bookmarked them, but that's beside the point, okay? I hearted like the same video 5 times, and then I'm like, yo, I gotta try this, because the little fox one looks pretty cool. And then I actually went on their site, and they're like, it's actually, you don't know what you're gonna get. You can get it in 1 or 3s, or like the entire set, and for sure you're gonna get one of each. And there's a mystery one, but for sure I didn't get that in here, so whatever. I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool. So I went online, right? I looked for information on these guys, couldn't find a thing, all right? I went off of the name that was right here on the actual Instagram, and I just copy pasted nothing. I looked up, see, it's a collaboration between these two guys. I looked up both of them, couldn't find a thing. This is very surface level, but I couldn't find a thing. And the only place I could find it was actually through the link, or looking for exactly like word for word and everything. So I found no information, no reviews. Hi, hopefully this is the first one. And only this video showed up, okay? It wasn't until after I bought these that more videos came out and I could actually see what the product was like actually like more in detail, right? So this is the thing, right? I got this in 3 days. The shipping was amazing on this, and the box was great. There's a little dent right here, but this is like impeccable. So I'm gonna open this, and we're gonna look at these, and this is hopefully gonna be very insightful for anyone that's gonna buy it. Also, I'm pretty sure you skipped this part, so let's get to it. So I took off the wrap. Here's this corner, and jingle jingle, key jingle,
Jingle, jingle, jingle.
jingle jingle. Here I am. I have no idea how to open this. There's tape. There's tape. Oh, actually, this is kind of like pops out a little. What's going on?
It's like a display for shelves.
Yeah, it's kind of like opening up a little.
Just rip it.
Just rip it.
Yeah.
Should I? Okay.
Just open it.
Do I open it? Okay. I already tore it. Okay. Cool. Do not do what I'm doing.
Just
kids.
shred it.
It's really cool. I kind of want to display it. Okay. So yeah, apparently they sell these to like stores, and you know, you can just choose one at random. I think I keep ripping. Really
Wait,
cool.
why don't you just rip along here and then it won't mess up anything?
Ooh, look at that. I have no idea what that. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to rip from here first. We're doing this live, guys.
What's the point of the perforations? They don't move.
No idea. For shipping purposes.
Oh, nice.
Okay, that did it. I also ripped it little. Is that not where that's supposed to? Let's go. I'm not gonna cut any of this, by the way. This goes.
Oh.
Video. Yeah, it's supposed to be very janky. Oh, I keep ripping it in places where it's not supposed to rip. If the packaging can't support me doing this to it, then how is it supposed to go through the shipping? Oh, okay. See, I opened it. This stuff kind of pops out, but not really. I have no idea. Oh. There we go. It pops out. All right, here we go. There's 9 of them. Let's get into it.
What does it say on top?
Bakugn. I have no.
Minus the A. It's something different.
Bakugn. Man, I sure do love these brand new Pokemon. All right, and then, yeah, here we go. There they are. Also, I should have shown you guys the box, but it kind of shows you all the little different. Okay, kind of shows you all the little different guys, and there's like a cool city and explosions. You can see these if there is ever another review by someone else that knows what they're doing. Okay, let's just choose one at random and open it. You can cut and open the box. Oh man.
It's got a rip tab.
Where does it have a rip tab? But the face is destroyed now. Aw. Okay, whatever.
Do you keep the boxes for every blind box you've ever gotten?
This is the first blind box I've opened since I was like 3. Okay, so spoiler, this is what we get.
Green.
It's got QR codes in Chinese in the back. Is it all Chinese? Yeah, it's all Chinese. So QR codes on the back for something. I hope that doesn't steal anything. Here's the name, Japanese, Chinese.
Open
Okay.
the dude, open the dude.
I'm opening it. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Very, very flashy. And now it just, there is a cat.
He's so small. Oh no!
Here's the face plate apparently that I got. I got spayed. Yo, here's the face.
Oh, there's a dude in him.
Yeah, there's a little dude in there. Okay, according to the videos, you can get the dude out. Oh, he's magnetized. So there's the dude. Okay, there.
Oh, he's cute. He's a little bug.
He's a little bug dude. He's even got his little bug back. And then there's a little mecha seat. So I honestly just kind of got it because of the little dudes and it's mecha. So yeah.
I wonder if you could put him on like a fridge.
I'm pretty sure you could go in the fridge. Then if I take this off, it sort of magnetizes on. Huh? Okay, there we go. It magnetizes on. I mean, you can see a bit of the white of the face there. Did I do it wrong? Seamless on the bottom. You can kind of see the top. This is really cool, actually. I thought these were keychains. I can't put this on my backpack now like a little boo-boo. Okay.
Just drill a keychain into it. You might as well.
Here's here he is. All right, cut. Okay, so I didn't show the bottom, so there's the bottom. I don't know. Here's all the ones to collect and the secret one. So camera to me. This is the thing I don't understand, right? If I buy this, I get to collect them all. But if there's a secret one, does it replace one of these? And you're just out of one, but you do get the one. I think it's 1 out of every 114. You get the cool mystery guy. I have no idea. Anyway, let's open this. Sorry, little face. Cool. Here's the other guy. Let's see what's inside. Right, I'm not looking at the little character sheet card this time because I want to be surprised. Packaging is the same. Okay, let's see what I get. I get Evangelion. Let's go. Okay. Oh, this guy is backwards. What did we get?
Is it the same guy? Oh, he's different.
It's a little dude.
Does he have a tail?
No tail. Same little pilot thing.
Nice.
This guy looks like Power Rangers instead of like mecha. The inside. I have no idea why. All right, let's look at the face. Okay, so the face is. It's a wolf.
Nice.
Okay, so we got the wolf. 08. Yeah. So.
This is 09.
Yeah. I think it's 1 through 9. Okay, I'm gonna put the little faceplate on. Okay, seamless on the bottom. You can still see some of the skin on the top, which I guess is fine. The eyes are kind of glossy there. That's pretty cool. So we got a beetle and a wolf.
Spin it.
Oh. This part has no audio. Remember, this part has no audio. So I mostly got this for the little fox guy, and the little fox guy inside is pretty cool, pretty cute. And the handle apparently are different colors, but they're mostly just red. I will say the following. Pretty cool, it feels soft to the touch. You can see skin when you put the mask on. I kind of thought they were keychains. They aren't really keychains, that's fine. Didn't get the mystery guy picture here. Little Godzilla kind of type looking guy. I will say that literally got Kamen Rider over here. Got the unicorn, the Gundam unicorn guy over here. Evangelion reference. This is all pretty cool. This is like that one Lego girl from that one Lego show. Picture here. Same color scheme. I don't know, guys. And then we got the Rhino from Spider-Man. Actually, the bottom of the faces are all different colors. That's pretty cool. But yeah, that's my video. I hope this was informative. If you skip most of this, it's totally fine. Bye. I'm kind of happy with them, but they come with candies, so I'm gonna make sure to enjoy them. It's a keep away from children, so I think they have alcohol. It's the environmental diatom. It's environmental diatom. Bye.